Hey there. If you're living in Arkansas and you have a qualifying medical condition, you might be wondering how to get your medical marijuana card. Well, you're in the right place. Your island girl, Rochelle Bradshaw, is here to walk you through the step-by-step process. Now, let's dive in. First things first, let's make sure that you qualify. You'll need to check off 4 basic requirements. Number 1, you need to be 18 years old or a minor with parental consent. Number 2, you must be diagnosed with one of Arkansas's qualifying medical conditions. And don't you worry, we'll go through all 18 of those in just a minute. Number 3, you need to be an Arkansas resident with a valid driver's license or a state ID. And number 4, you'll need $50 for the state application fee. Now, there is one important restriction. If you're in the Arkansas National Guard or in any branch of the U.S. military, unfortunately, state law prohibits you from getting a medical marijuana card. Now let's talk about those qualifying conditions. Arkansas recognizes 18 specific conditions, and I'll list a few here. Cancer, glaucoma, HIV/AIDS, hepatitis C, ALS, Tourette's syndrome, Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis, PTSD, severe arthritis, fibromyalgia, Alzheimer's disease, and intractable pain. Now that's pain that has not responded to regular treatment for more than 6 months. There are other conditions and also a catch-all category for other conditions approved by the Arkansas Department of Health. If you're not sure whether your conditions qualify, definitely check with a licensed physician or visit the official ADH website. All right, now for the meat and potatoes, the actual application process. There are 5 main steps, and I promise it's easier than you think. Step 1, get your physician certification. You need to book an appointment with a licensed physician who can provide medical cannabis certifications. And you can check on our website, rootsreefer.com, for a list of qualifying physicians. Keep in mind, doctor fees are separate from the state fee. Number 2, gather your documents. You'll need 3 things: that signed physician certification form, a copy of your valid Arkansas driver's license or state ID, and your $50 payment. Step 3, submit your application. Here's where you have 2 options. You can easily apply online, which I totally recommend, or you can mail everything to the Arkansas Department of Health in Little Rock, and the address is listed right here in this video. Step 4, wait for processing. This typically takes about 14 days. However, it can range between 2 to 30 days, so just be a little patient. And if you've applied online, you can go to your account and check the status of your application. Now, step 5 is my favorite step. This is where you get your card. If you applied online, you'll get immediate access to a digital card once your status shows issued. Make sure to click the PDF button for the correct version, not the pop-up one. You can use a digital copy or print it out while you wait for your physical card to arrive. If you've applied by mail, you'll just have to wait for the physical card. So go ahead and do this online, okay? Money, 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 money! Now let's talk money. The state application fee is $50, which is non-refundable, plus whatever your physician charges, and this varies from doctor to doctor. For applications online, you can pay with a credit card. For mail applications, send a check or a money order made out to Arkansas Department of Health. Now here are my top tips to make sure your application goes smoothly. Everybody needs tips for success. Before you apply, double check all your documents are current and valid. Make sure that your physician certification is properly signed and have your payment ready. During the process, definitely go with the online application. Remember I said that I highly recommend this. It's faster and you can track your status. Keep copies of everything you submit and respond quickly if the ADH asks for additional information. And avoid these common mistakes: incomplete physician forms, expired IDs, wrong payment amounts, missing signatures, and blurry document copies. Go get them! Now, once you get approved, you can visit any licensed dispensary in the state of Arkansas legally. You can legally purchase and possess medical cannabis according to state laws. Now, if you are unclear where your closest dispensary is, at home, or when you're visiting across the state of Arkansas, please visit our website rootsandreefer.com for our dispensary map. You won't regret it. Your card is typically valid for 1 year, so make sure to start the renewal process before it expires. So there you have it. Everything you need to know about getting your Arkansas medical marijuana card. Ready to get started? Your first step is scheduling an appointment with a qualified physician to discuss your condition and get that written certification. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful guides. Drop any questions in the comments below. I actually read every single one. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And now that you have your card, come visit your island girl so we can get high with some hybrid indica sativa. Island girl out.